Hello everybody, welcome to Math Times. Today we're doing 5th grade math lessons and we are going to be doing area model multiplication. So let's get started. So today we were doing area model multiplication, multiplying by one digit number using area models, and also two digit numbers using area models. And so let's get started. So you can use area models to help you multiply large numbers. Show the problem as the area of a rectangle, then break that rectangle into smaller chunks for easier solving. This method is also known as box multiplication. Let's try it with 628 times 5. First, show the problem as the area of a rectangle. So, right here, they put 628 and times 5 right here, and they put a big rectangle around 628 and 5 around the area. So the next step is to split the rectangle into smaller pieces for easier multiplication. Use the expanded form of 628 to keep the math simple. So 628 equals 600 plus 20 plus 8. So you can just break it up into those small pieces. And then what you do is you multiply to find the area of each small rectangle. So right here they multiplied 5 times 600, 5 times 20, and 5 times 8. Simple. And then add those products to find the area of the original rectangle. So 600 times 5 equals 3,000. 20 times 5 equals 100, and 8 times 5 equals 40. So 3,000 plus 100 plus 40 equals 3,140. So 628 times 5 equals 3,140. Now we're going to learn how to multiply by two-digit numbers using area models. So you could use area models for larger problems too. Let's use 36 times 52 as an example. First, write each factor in expanded form. So 36 equals 30 plus 6, and 52 equals 50 plus 2. Now, they drew their model right here. And one of the last steps is to multiply to find the area of each small rectangle. So they did this, and they multiplied 30 times 50, which equals 1,500, and 30 times 2, which equals 60. Same with here, they multiplied 50 times 6, which is 300, and they also multiplied 2 times 6, which is 12. So finally, they added those products to find the total area, which is 1,500 plus 300 plus 60 plus 12, and got 1,872. So, in the end, 36 times 52 equals 1,872. Now we're going to try some practice problems. So let's start some practice problems right here. Okay. So, question is, which model represents 2 times 271? And as you can see here, we know that, so 271 is broken up into 3 parts, which is 200 plus 70 plus 1. So we have to look for something like something like this, where they show the area model, and it's broken up into 3 sections, and it's not equal, but it's the best I can do. And it would look something like 200, and then the 70, and then the 1, and then with the 2. So this is how it would look like. So we are trying to find something that looks like this. And it will have some answers in here. So something that looks like this right here, something like that. So let's look for it. So this one right here says 271 break up into 3 pieces times 2. Yes, that's correct. Let's look at the other one. And 271, yes, that's also correct. But look at this 4. We are multiplying by 2, not 4. The correct answer would be this one. Submit. Okay, so next question is, what is 2 times 271? Use the arrows shown in the model to help. So they already put the answer right here for the break aparts. Now we just have to add, they already broke it up, but now we just have to add all these numbers. So let's add 400 plus 140, 400, 140 plus 2, 100, 140, and plus 2. So let's add these up. So 2 plus nothing equals 2, 4, so we get 542. So let's put 542 and submit it. And we got it right. So now our last problem we're going to do on this is, which model represents 5 times 481? We're looking for 5 times 481. So, um, so like we said, it would look like 400 because 481 break apart would look like 400 plus 80 plus 1. So we are looking for 400 break apart 80 break apart 1 times 5. So both of these already have 5 multiplying, but this one has 484. We're looking for 481. This one says 481, so this one will be correct. Okay, so I'm going to go back here, and now we're going to do some of these problems. Okay, the first question is, which model represents 27 times 14? So we're looking for 27 break apart would look like 20 plus 7, and then 14 would look like 10 plus 4. So we're looking for a break apart like this. So we're looking for 20 plus 7 plus 10 plus 4. So let's look for it. So this one says 10 plus 6. We're not looking for 10 plus 6. We're looking for 10 plus 4. But it has 20 plus 7. Let's look at the other one. This one says 10 times 4 and 20 times 7. And that is what we're looking for. And this is incorrect. So we are going to push this one and split it. So this is the last question we are going to be doing today. So it says, what is 27 times 14? Use the arrows shown in the model to help. So 27 times 14, they already break it up into the numbers. So we're just going to add them right here. So 200, 100 plus 80 plus 70 plus 28. Now let's add those up. So, oopsie, that was a little bit of a mess. So 8 plus nothing equals 8. 8 plus 7 equals 15. So 15 plus 2 equals 17. Bring this one right here, add the one right here. 2 plus nothing equals 2, plus 1 equals 3. So our answer is 378. Let's see if that's okay. 378. Submit. Submit. Okay. Thank you, you guys, for watching aerial model multiplication lessons with me. Thank you for tuning in. Please subscribe and like all our videos. And I'll see you next time. Bye.